Welcome to our tutorial on hydroponic gardening for beginners. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of hydroponics and show you how to get started with this innovative gardening technique. What is hydroponic gardening? Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil. Instead, plants are grown in a nutrient-rich water solution, providing them with everything they need to thrive. Hydroponic gardening offers many advantages, including faster growth rates, increased yields, and the ability to grow plants anywhere, regardless of soil quality. To start, you'll need a few essential items: a reservoir to hold the water, a nutrient solution, a growing medium, and a pH testing kit to ensure proper nutrient balance. There are several types of hydroponic systems to choose from, including deep water culture, nutrient film technique, and ebb and flow. Research each system to find one that suits your needs and skill level. Set up your growing area in a well-lit, temperature-controlled space. Ensure proper air circulation and consider investing in grow lights or reflective materials if natural light is limited. Choose plants that are well-suited to hydroponic gardening, such as leafy greens, herbs, and vine crops. Start with easy-to-grow varieties like lettuce or basil. Decide whether to germinate seeds or start with seedlings. Both methods can be successful, but beginners may find it easier to begin with seedlings. Carefully transfer your plants to the hydroponic system, ensuring the roots are fully submerged in the nutrient solution or growing medium. Regularly monitor and adjust the nutrient balance in your hydroponic system. Use the pH testing kit to ensure the water's acidity or alkalinity remains within the optimal range for plant growth. Maintain a consistent watering schedule, ensuring the roots receive the right amount of moisture. If using a recirculating system, periodically replace the nutrient solution to maintain its quality. Monitor your hydroponic garden for any signs of pests or diseases and take appropriate measures to prevent or treat them. Good sanitation practices are essential to minimize these issues. Provide your plants with necessary support, such as trellises or stakes, to help them grow vertically. Regularly prune and pinch back plants to promote bushiness and maximize production. When your plants are ready, harvest your delicious hydroponically grown crops. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you've successfully grown your own food using hydroponics. If you encounter any common issues such as nutrient deficiencies, pH imbalances, or wilting plants, consult resources or seek advice from experienced hydroponic gardeners to troubleshoot. Once you've mastered the basics, consider exploring advanced techniques like aeroponics or aquaponics. The possibilities in hydroponic gardening are endless. To dive deeper into hydroponic gardening, check out books, online forums, and local gardening communities. Share your experiences and learn from others to improve your skills. Congratulations! You've completed our tutorial on hydroponic gardening for beginners. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and start growing with this exciting and rewarding method. Thank you for watching our tutorial, Hydroponic Gardening for Beginners. Happy gardening!